Oh, heck, should I even manage?
Oh, regarding some special events that have been going on and are still going on around the area. Music fans, and for someone like me who is highly passionate about music, that
Oh my god. Okay, in this table here, it took one person 22 seconds. There's 38.
fastest time that the Rubik's Cube was solved by an individual. The time is 11:37 a.m. and such an odd start to the day, like literally an odd start. So in that party place that had closed recently, there has been a hefty police check, like literally a hefty check, and they've investigated inside the store that there were a bunch of balloons that had still remained in there, including 2 number balloons, like one of them being a 1, one of them being 8. Wow, like, did you turn 18 or 81? I'm not sure. Well, those are just a couple of a significant group of items that are still in that store, like in those fright boxes, cardboard, whatever. And it would look like an abandoned place if they would stay here. So there's been an investigation going on.
How the heck should I even manage? Oh, good God. Well, yeah, there's that, but just realizing that there's yet 20 minutes until the next boat that is yet to come departs, as in now the time is 12:10. Oh, I'm in now. Wow, okay, because I came 20 minutes early, but there's still people who are just running for it. And here comes another, wow, I got a bunch of people who are waving at us. That's amazing. Okay, well, off we go.
Aktarma yapabilirsiniz. Next station, Ünalan. Change for Metrobus line.
It's 1:12, so it has been a... Okay. Yeah, I guess that must be some completely random announcement regarding some special events that have been going on and are still going on around the area that could impact the status of the subway trains. Because from what I know, for the month of August, there's a lot of festivities that are going around here in this city, including concerts. And I know because a few days ago there happened to be a Jennifer Lopez concert here. Everyone just stormed into Festival Park to watch the show. And when I say everyone, of course I mean like everyone that came in there, especially some music fans. And for someone like me who is highly passionate about music, that made me think, holy moly, that's like people just stuck into there by storm, like filling out every single space that could possibly be.
But also you got these outdoor terrace movie nights over here. Look, even got the Minecraft way right here. I don't know how that's still going on, but there's not so much of the movies that have been trending these days. I only got one of them, apparently Formula One. That's for next Saturday, the 16th.
But about that and events like that, basically majority of the subway trains, including the M1, the M2, like they've extended their service hours for like until the middle of August. I guess usually they work from 6 a.m. to midnight, but I heard that they have extended until 2 a.m. for the weekdays and for 24 hours during the weekends.
When can we ever bounce on the rhythm, yeah, yeah, yeah. You gotta make a move to me, baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Nah, you know me, I'm not wasting time. No secret.
That's lunch done complete. Now the time is 2:03. Wow, what kind of a mascot is that? You guys see who's walking in there? Is that one of those? I can't really tell what it is, but that gave me a surprise. See, it's that dude right here. You see? Oh, there we go. Hello, dude. Oh, wow, that's just fantastic. Like, just go around here and there. That's a very cool surprise. Just right next to the kids' park. Hey, Kidzmania mascot. So yeah, right here, that's actually the Kidzmania mascot. That guy in blue, because look, there is a Kidzmania, so it's like an amusement center for kids. And there you go, it's in Kidzmania. Wow. It was nice meeting, and just take a look at that. A group of kids working in different professions. You see, one of them's a firefighter, we got a chef, we got a pilot, we got a photographer. Here, hey again, mascot. This is kind of special, actually. Like, it makes you think, what would I want to work as when I get older? Like, I'm 23 and I still haven't even thought of a job.
But genuinely, that was the Kidzmania mascot that just passed through, and that's incredible. But what really inspired me was this kid in the image that has the camera in his hand, and that made me think, like, wow, I could be one of those YouTubers, like I could be a gamer, like Jacksepticeye and Markiplier, or one of those daily vloggers. Well, you know, just like what I do. And basically that camera kid kind of got me on that, thinking, well, hey, he's gonna be just like me.
But I guess that's the main point about Kidzmania, like careers and all that. Holy heck. One balloon got stuck up there. It's a number 2 balloon.
Well, it's kind of like what happens if you get way too drunk on your 21st birthday and go into a shopping mall and have some fast food, then have cake, and you accidentally let go of the 2 balloon. Holy crap, what have I done?
Ela por ser gentil, meigo e boca profissional. Mas me
interesting, actually. Like, there's a bunch of people, mainly amongst kids, doing a Rubik's Cube contest down there. I tried to record a few clips, but of course I've been talking about the situation in my camera multiple times. See how much I can go from here at this point, but yeah, they're solving the Rubik's Cube here. Here I go down now, so at least I can get a bit of a closer view from here. Like you see, it is everywhere at this point, everywhere. There's a time limit right here to see, oh wow, someone completed the Rubik's Cube in about 10 seconds. Even here, they're Rubik's Cubers. 22 oh my god. Okay, in this table here, it took one person 22 seconds. There's 38. That is absolutely fascinating. And you can see there's a tablet on this table here. Basically, they're challenging themselves to see how much they can, like, in how much time they can solve the Rubik's Cube. Here are these guys go now. 11 seconds. Ooh, wow, 11 seconds. That's cool. And a remarkable record that was broken this year based on the timing to solve the Rubik's Cube. As of May 2025, the fastest time that the Rubik's Cube was solved by an individual was 3.05 seconds. That's 3 seconds and 1/20th. And that got me thinking, how would anyone have the horsepower to do that? Like, it's 9 tiles per face, 54 tiles in total, and like you have to be even faster than Lightning McQueen and Jackson Storm in the car series to solve it in that many seconds. 3.05 seconds, that's the record. At this point, you would have to have the mentality of driving a Bugatti. It might be a vivid observation, but this is one of those instances you have to be super, super fast. And now there's 2 elevators that are not working here, so I only got the one that's at the right. Go to 0, top floor. So, let's see. Well, some people are still doing it, by the way, or still doing the Rubik's Cube solving test. It's nice and calm here now, although it's yet, speaking of the time, it is yet 4:19 p.m. and the sun is open. That's really good, because coming into the hour of noon, it was overcast, and now we got a full sunshine out here. So that ends it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.